In this video, I will show you how to fix CyberGhost VPN opening problem on Mac. First, try relaunching the app because sometimes it opens halfway and gets stuck. To do this, find the app in your dock, click with 2 fingers, and select Quit. If it still won't close, then you should force quit it. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner, select Force Quit, choose the app from the list, for example, Google Chrome, and click Force Quit again. After it closes completely, try opening it once more to see if the issue is resolved. If the app still doesn't open, the next step is to make sure your Mac is up to date. Sometimes system updates fix bugs that cause apps to malfunction. Open System Settings, scroll down to General, then click Software Update. Your Mac will automatically check for available updates. If updates are available, install them, and then try launching the app again. Another simple fix is restarting your Mac. It may seem basic, but restarting often clears temporary errors and can help the app open normally again. Just click the Apple icon and select Restart. Then retry opening the app once your Mac reboots. If none of the previous steps work, check whether the app itself needs an update. For apps downloaded from the App Store, open the App Store, go to the Updates tab, and install any available updates. If you downloaded the app from a website, visit that website again to see if a newer version is available. If updating doesn't solve the issue, then reinstalling the app is your next option. Open Finder, go to Applications, find the problematic app, right-click or tap with 2 fingers, and select Move to Bin, or simply drag it into the bin. If you get a message saying the app is still open, quit it first or force quit it. After deleting it, empty your bin, then re-download the latest version from the App Store or the app's official website. Once reinstalled, the app should open properly. Now, before we wrap up, if you're using CyberGhost VPN on your Samsung TV, you might notice that sometimes the connection can be a bit inconsistent or the speed drops depending on the server you choose. That's pretty common with most VPNs when streaming or gaming on smart TVs. So if you're looking for something that performs a bit better overall, NordVPN is the best choice. It offers faster speeds, more stable connections, and extra features that make gaming smoother. I have included a link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.